It's 2026 and buying AirPods can be really confusing because Apple basically sells 4 real choices that feel all like they're almost perfect. So in this video, I'm going to compare them, show you what actually matters, and help you decide what's the best for your budget. Okay, here's the current lineup. We have the AirPods 4, AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, AirPods Pro 3s, and AirPods Max with USB-C. AirPods 4 are probably the best. They just work AirPods. If you want the classic, open fit, and don't care about noise cancellation. They get you spatial audio, modern Apple pairing, and an easy fit. But no noise cancellation, no transparency, no adaptive audio. They're just the cheapest and most simple pair you can get, but they're still pretty good. Buy these if you want AirPods for podcasts or just simple AirPods to walk around that are cheap. But if you fly in a plane, work somewhere with a loud environment, I wouldn't get these. I'd get the next level up. Something like AirPods 4 with noise cancellation or AirPods 3. They're just like the cheaper AirPods, but they have active noise cancellation. These are perfect for you if you hate silicone tips but still want that active noise cancellation. Then they're not going to be quite as good as the one with the silicone tip, but they're still not that bad. And one more thing, in 2026, Apple AirPods are getting some new AI features, which include these new AirPod 4s with active noise cancellation. These AirPods are going to get live translation, where you can actually talk to someone that speaks a different language, and in real time, your AirPods will translate what they're saying and say it back to you. With this live translation thing, there is a catch though. You have to have an iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence. This is because it actually takes the sound from your AirPods, sends it to your iPhone, runs all the data, and sends it back to your AirPods. So if you want most of the AirPods features without that pro pricing, these are the ones for you. Then we have the AirPods Pro 3s, which just came out, and they're actually incredible. They're a lot more expensive than either of the AirPods we just talked about, but to me, it's worth it because they're way better, honestly. With these AirPods, you're paying for 3 things. The best active noise cancellation you can probably get in earbuds. The best fit versatility because it has multiple different tip sizes. If you want something that'll seriously block noise, you need some sort of ear tips in them. And the most pro features Apple's building around AirPods. The Pro 3s add some genuinely unique stuff like heart rate sensing during workouts. The stem on the AirPod Pro 3s are pretty cool. They have a touchscreen and force sensors, so you can pinch to play and pause, you can slide up and down to change the volume, and they're also motion detected, so if you get a call, you can shake your head and decline the call. Things like that are just really cool. And Apple's leaning hard into AirPods as health devices, including hearing features like hearing aid function on Pro models. Live translation is supported on AirPods Pro 3s too. And if you prefer over-the-ear headphones, Apple does have the AirPods Max with USB-C. But they're super overpriced. I mean, like, really overpriced. These sound pretty good. They have active noise cancellation, but they still have the H1 chip. So, honestly, they're totally not worth it. They're not even going to get the Apple Intelligence features. In my opinion, you kind of have 2 real choices here. If you want the cheapest AirPods you can get the AirPods 4. And if you have a little bit more money to spend, it's worth jumping over to the AirPods Pro 3s. They're just way better and probably the best earbuds ever.